So to recap, if you want to be successful at affiliate marketing, you have to build a list of subscribers that you can continually promote products to. Okay. In another video, I also taught you how to find affiliate products to promote, and I also recommend you do or create review videos to separate yourself from the competition, and also to give more information on the products to your customers so they know that they're buying, so they know what they're buying and that it's a high quality product. And also, they're going to see your honesty too as you point out the negative features of the product. Okay. Another thing you want to do is to create bonuses. Okay. You have to create incentives for your customers and subscribers. And as I stated earlier, there is a lot of competition out there. So you have to give them a reason why they should buy from you. Okay. Now, some other tips here. When you're emailing your list, don't just use the swipes that are provided to you, because a lot of these affiliate products have email swipes that you can just copy and paste into your autoresponder. Okay. Now, you don't want to do that. You want to use your own words when describing products and when you're emailing your list, and use your own personality. And eventually, your subscribers and customers will get familiar with your personality and will know that you're a real person that they're dealing with, not just someone who's continually copying and pasting these little sales emails. Okay? And lastly, don't be afraid to email often. Well, you have to try and find what's right for you and your list. Okay? And you don't want to spam them. Okay? I email my list every day if I can, sometimes twice or even 3 times. But most of the time, I email once a day. And that's what works for me. And that's, my customers seem to be happy with